So we're introducing our new addition to our security system. It's called HomeHawk, and it's our outdoor monitoring system. For the front door, it has a couple features: really wide angle, package monitoring mode, two different night visions, one in monochrome and one in color, which is really unique to the market. Something that we're really excited about. Two-way talk, live mobile viewing, and no monthly fees, which is a really nice feature. So there's, the consumer is getting a really good value and not paying any residual costs throughout the year.